Welcome to mathematics class, and we are discussing about transformations. Okay, so before watching this video, please revise once the formulas what we discussed in the last video. That is especially sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D, and cos C minus cos D. Right? So once revise these formulas and then concentrate on these problems. So look at the first question. In a triangle ABC, prove that sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C is equals to 4 sin A into sin B into sin C. So very important result ma. And see, all these problems we are solving using the formulas of transformations. So coming to the solution, see what is given in triangle ABC, isn't it? In triangle ABC, the meaning is sum of the angles. What it is? A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. That is the meaning of in triangle ABC. Okay. So let us consider LHS. What is it? Sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. Okay. So among these three, you can consider any two as together. I can apply the formula for these two. Just like they are sin C plus sin D. Or if you want, you can also apply for second and third, or even first and last also you can apply. Okay. So some of the any two you can consider among these three. So first of all, let me want to take these two as single unit. Okay, and plus this is sin 2C as it is. Now you see, this is just like sin C plus sin D. What is the formula for sin C plus sin D? 2 into sin of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. So this is the formula which we are going to use it right now. So come on, according to that, this I can write it at 2 into sin of C plus D by 2. 2A plus 2B by 2 into cos of 2A minus 2B by 2 plus sin 2C formula, 2 sin C into cos C. Okay ma. So this is 2 into sin of, actually 2 you can take it common, 2 gets cancelled. So this is A plus B, and this is cos of A minus B, isn't it? And plus 2 sin C into cos C. Now in the place of A plus B, from this I can write it as A plus B is equals to 180 minus C. Okay. So into, there is no change in the rest of the functions. Fine. Now see, sin of 180 minus C. Sin C, no? 2 sin C into cos of A minus B plus 2 sin C into cos C. And especially here, 2 sin C is common. If you take 2 sin C common, then this is cos of A minus B plus, actually we have cos C here. After taking common, we have cos C. But once again, from this, C means I can write it as 180 minus of A plus B. Do you understand? Fine. Now this is 2 sin C into, see this is cos of A minus B, and because of 180 minus theta second quadrant, this is negative, and this is equals to minus of cos of A plus B. So that is equals to 2 sin C into, can you tell me cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B? Actually cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. And here cos A into cos B, but before that there is a minus, so negative. So first terms cos A into cos B minus cos A into cos B gets cancelled. Hence you will be having here 2 sin A into sin B is the simplified answer for these two. We discussed already. Now if you multiply 2 into 2, 4 into, this is sin A into sin B into sin C. So which is RHS. So please remember that in a triangle ABC, sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C is equals to 4 into sin A into sin B into sin C. Okay, now see, sometimes question can be like this. Question number 2. In a triangle ABC, sin 2A plus sin 2B, suppose if it is minus, then you know the answer is 4 cos A, 4 cos A into cos B into sin C. See here, suppose if it is minus, so look at the question now. In a triangle ABC, prove that sin 2A plus sin 2B minus sin 2C is equals to 4 cos A into cos B into sin C. So the process is almost all same. The only thing is sign. Okay. So once again, because of given that in a triangle ABC, we can consider that sum of the angles is 180 degrees. Now the only thing is, instead of this plus, can take minus. Isn't it, ma? So once again, these two I want to consider as a single unit, and let us apply the formula for sin C plus sin D. Okay, and now this is the sign, only differ by sign. This is minus. Once again here it is minus. Okay, and even here also minus. All the steps are same. Now this is minus. You know, actually there is a minus. Now this changes into now plus, because already this is negative, no? 180 minus theta cos is negative. Minus of minus is plus. If it is plus, now what happens, you know? This bracket value is equals to 2 cos A into cos B. Now if you multiply 4 cos A into cos B into sin C. See how easy the problems are. Now almost all every problem is in the same model, just differ by signs. Somewhere plus, somewhere minus. So look at this question now. Earlier we did with sine. Now the problem is with cos. So in a triangle ABC, prove that cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C plus 1 which is equals to minus 4 cos A into cos B into cos C. Okay, don't worry. So once again, because of given that triangle ABC, hence I want to consider sum of the angles is anyhow 180 degrees. And now I just want to go with cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. Don't worry, actually this plus 1 can send it outside that side, no? Then can I write like this? Can write like this also. Why not? So it is enough to prove now cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equals to minus 1 minus 4 into cos a into cos b into cos c. Okay. So almost all process is same. So once again I want to consider these two as a single unit. And this time these are in the form of cos c plus cos d. The formula is 2 into cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. So the formulas are very important here. Okay. So let us use this formula now here. According to that, 2 into cos of c plus d, 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos of 2a minus 2b by 2 plus cos 2c. Okay, and you know this is equals to 2 into cos of, anyhow 2 gets cancelled, then which is a plus b, and this is equal to cos of a minus b. Just wait for cos 2c because cos 2c can be expressed in many ways, isn't it? Whereas sin 2a formula is only one, that's why earlier we wrote it directly. Now depending on the situation, we will take the suitable formula of cos 2 theta. Okay, so what can you guess next? What? So a plus b is nothing but I can write it as 180 minus c into cos of a minus b plus cos 2c. Okay, now you know this is minus 2 cos c because of 180 minus theta, second quadrant cos is negative, into cos of a minus b plus, now you see my dear, since there is a 2 cos c no, so let us express this is also in terms of cos, that is, can I write it 2 cos square c minus 1, 2 cos square c minus 1 we can take it actually, isn't it? Okay, fine. Now within these two, what we can take common, I think minus 2 cos c if you take common, then this is cos of a minus b, because we took minus common now, hence this becomes now minus, one more cos c will be left here, and minus 1 is as usual separated. Okay, fine. See, now this we can write it as minus 2 cos c into, this is cos of a minus b minus cos of c means same as from the above. Can we write it 180 minus of a plus b? So please take care about the brackets, close it, and once again minus 1. So now this is minus 2 cos c into, this is cos of a minus b, and actually 180 minus theta no, negative, but minus of minus I can write it plus, which is cos of a plus b, and this is minus 1. What about this? Minus 2 cos c into cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. The formula is 2 cos a into cos b, and moreover minus 1. Hence, which is equals to, I just want to write minus 1 first, minus 1. And what is this? Minus into minus into plus, anyhow, minus 4 cos a into cos b into cos c, isn't it? So if you want this minus 1, you can send it to the left side, hence you can prove it, which is equals to minus 4 into cos a into cos b into cos c. See, very simple, no? Same as previous problems. Just you must know only a single formula. Similarly, you see, if suppose the question is like this, cos 2a minus cos b. If the question is cos 2a minus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equals to 1 minus, this is equals to 1 minus 4 sin a into cos b into sin c. So look at this question now. Cos 2a minus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equals to 1 minus 4 sin a into cos b into sin c. Okay, ma. So once again, in a triangle ABC, so no doubt, now here the sign is minus, isn't it? Minus. Hence, this is in the form of cos C minus cos D. No? Cos C minus cos D. Okay. So can you guess the formula for cos C minus cos D? Which is equals to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Okay, ma. So according to that, just cos, you can write it as sines, no? So minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2 plus cos 2C as it is. Hence we get here minus 2 into, these things are in terms of sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B. So once again minus sine of 180 minus C, and this is sine of A minus B. So just wait for the cos 2C until the last. Now you see 180 minus C, which is sine C, second quadrant actually positive, plus into minus anyhow minus. So this is 2 sine C into, this is now sine of A minus B, which plus, now you see cos 2C formula. Here we got in terms of sine. So here also you can write it in terms of sine, that is 1 minus 2 sine square C. 1 minus 2 sine square C. Okay, so listen from here. So first write plus 1. I want to write plus 1 in the beginning. Okay, plus 1. And what are there? Rest of them minus 2 sine C into sine of A minus B and minus 2 sine square C. Isn't it? Same step, just I brought it into front. So now what is the common from these two? Minus 2 sine C, if I take common, then this is sine of A minus B and plus this is sine C. Okay, ma. So 1 minus 2 sine C into sine of A minus B as it is, whereas this is I can write it as C, I can write it as again 180 minus of A plus B. Close the bracket. So 1 minus 2 sine C into, this is sine of A minus B plus sine of A plus B. Okay, so what is the formula for this? 1 minus, we have already 2 sine C into, sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. 2 sine A into cos b. Formulas purely, the chapter is purely based on formulas. Now if you multiply, we get 1 minus 2 into 2, 4, and in order, first a, sin a, followed by b is cos b, and then which is sin c. Isn't it? So very simple, just based on the formulas. So look at this question. In triangle ABC, prove that sin A plus sin B plus sin C, which is equals to 4 into cos A by 2 into cos B by 2 into cos C by 2. See, if you observe properly, till now the problems what we discussed, in that the angles are involved 2A, 2B, 2C, hence the resultants are some ABC. If we hear 2A, 2B, 2C, then in RHS we got it half of it, half of 2A, A, half of 2B, B, half of 2C is C. Now the question is slightly different now. The left hand side itself, the angles are just A, B, C. That's why half of A by 2, half of B by 2, and half of C is C by 2. Don't worry, whatever it may be the angle, the process is same. Okay, so once again provided in a triangle ABC, it means A plus B plus C, sum of the angles is equals to 180 degrees. Then coming to LHS, which is equals to sin A plus sin B plus sin C. Okay, so once again you can consider any two, sum of the any two. So let me want to go with again with first and second. You can also try from second and third, taking or from first and second, first and last also. So once again this is in the form of, you see, sin C plus sin D, which is equals to 2 into sin of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Okay, so that implies, according to this formula, I can write this as 2 into A plus B by 2, isn't it? And cos of A minus B by 2 plus sin C. Please take care here, we get half of the angles, don't worry. So from this, you know, A plus B is equals to 180 minus C. This is what we did till now. But now the angle is A plus B by 2, which is by 2 and by 2. And this is equals to now 90 minus C by 2. Earlier we used to write 180 minus something. But now you have to write 90 minus something. Okay, no problem. So 2 into sin of A plus B by 2 means, can write it 90 degrees minus C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. And you know sin C formula, half angles, 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. Like 2 theta formulas itself. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. See, what is sin 2 theta, ma? 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now if I want only sin theta, just follow the technique here. When it is 2 theta, the angle is half of it, that is theta. Now here itself, if it is theta, then half of the theta is theta by 2, no? And the same formula we can write like this. 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. You know, for example, here angle itself theta by 2, then sin theta by 2 can be written as half of it, theta by 2 by 2. So 2 into sin theta by 4 into cos theta by 4. So like this we can find out the formula of any of the angle of sine. Okay. So coming to here, because of 90, sine changes into cos c by 2. Moreover, this is like 90 minus theta. Clearly first quadrant all are positive. And you see this is cos of a minus b by 2 plus these things are as it is 2 sin c by 2 into cos c by 2. Now we have 2 cos c by 2 common. We can take 2 cos c by 2 common. Then this is cos of a minus b by 2. Okay, cos of a minus b by 2 plus we have actually cos c by 2 now. So now this is 2 into cos c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus cos of, see from this c by 2 means what we can write? Can I write it 90 minus of a plus b by 2? Isn't it? 90 minus a plus b by 2. So now according to that we can write, how can we write? This is because of 90 cos changes into sine of a plus b by 2. And moreover first quadrant, no? Sorry, actually we took cos c by 2 common, then here left sin c by 2, this is also sine, now this becomes now cos. Okay, so you see especially this is furtherly can write it as, see a minus b by 2 I can write like this. Similarly this a plus b by 2 also we can write it a by 2 plus b by 2. Now they are just like cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So you know which is equals to, we have 2 cos c by 2 and sum of these two is equals to 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. So 2 into 2 4, and if you write in order, cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. Okay, if suppose next problem, if it is minus sin a plus sin b minus sin c, then you know which is equals to, these two are sines, 4 into sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into cos c by 2. So please try this problem in the same way. So coming to the next problem, prove that cos a plus cos b plus cos c is equals to 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. Okay, so first consider the LHS. LHS is cos a plus cos b plus cos c. So LHS cos a plus cos b plus cos c, if I consider these two as a together, I mean can apply for cos formula of cos c plus cos d here, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. According to that, 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus cos c is as usual, and a plus b by 2, you know just now we discussed, no, a plus b by 2 can be written as 90 degrees minus c by 2. Now because of 90, cos changes into sine, hence this is 2 sin c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2. Since the term is in terms of sign, let us express cos c also in terms of sign, that is 1 minus 2 sine square c by 2. Okay, so please write plus 1. First of all, plus 1, and the things are plus 2 sine c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 minus 2 sine square c by 2. As usual, we can take 2 sine c by 2 common, hence this is cos of a minus b by 2 minus sine c by 2 actually. But c by 2 can be written as 90 minus of a plus b by 2. So please take care about brackets now. Okay. So 1 plus 2 sine c by 2 into, this is again can write as it is, and coming to here, because of 90, this changes into cos, sine changes into cos. And just for your clarification, I just want to write these things as cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 minus cos of a by 2 plus b by 2. So this is in the form of cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So what is it? Here cos a cos b, first terms are gets cancelled, then 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2. So 1 plus 2 sin c by 2, and sum of these two is nothing but 2 sin a by 2 into sin b by 2, which we get. So 1 plus, on multiplication we get 4 sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. See how simple they are. Just you need to remember the formulas. If you are good at formulas, then you can do it in very simple method. So after that, please note one more problem, that is cos a plus cos b minus cos c. Cos a plus cos b minus cos c, which is equals to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 4 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into sin c by 2. So please try this problem also in the same manner, and along with the material problems also you can solve. Right, ma? Hope you are all understood the class, and I think so you might have enjoyed a lot. Thank you for watching this video.